Good mornings to all. This is Amritpal Kaur. Here is a prediction for 13th March 2021 IELTS exam, and this prediction has been done here in Punjab at Spire Font Pathways Jatum. So according to me, listening is going to be moderate this time, and you can expect map in part 2, so must practice enough for the map part. So next is reading is going to be moderate to easy. So second good news is that there may be less or maybe no headings, because in the last exam there were nearly 12 headings. So I must say that the exam of 4th March 2021 was really tough. So here comes the last, that is writing. So in writing task 1, must not forget pie and map chart, and just prepare yourself that format of pie chart is almost similar to bar as well as table, but if I talk about map, it is really different. So must work on your directions, that is north, south, west, east. So always remember the article that in the north, in the east. Okay, so must take care of your grammatical range and accuracy. And last is writing task 2. So again, I generally say in my every prediction that you must not skip discuss both views, because the frequency and the chances of discuss both views are always higher. And the second part, the maximum chances are that question is going to be the advantages and disadvantages, and if I further brief it out, then it is going to be do advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages. So just be ready, be prepared. All the very best for your IELTS exam. Thank you. Subscribe and like and share so that everyone may get benefited. Thanks.